Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are throwing the 318 Mopar V8 into the VE VIP. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're diving into the VE VIP. We are going to strip the front end, get everything ready to put the 318 out of the VG in it, and get it ready basically to try and put it back onto the road. So all front lock control arms, K-frame, everything has to come out of this. Diff, brakes, knuckles, everything. So we've got the 318, we've got the K-frame out of the VG. I got the knuckles off the VG, which were CLCM with PBR calipers, and then diff, which is Centura diff, tail shaft, basically the whole drivetrain out of the VG is going straight into this car. So I'll show you the motor quickly, which was the end of last episode anyway, but I'll show you the motor. It's still hanging up, ready to kind of drop onto the K-frame, back onto the table, and then be slid underneath when it's time. So I'll show you that. So there's the motor, looking all pretty. Now this motor was rebuilt not too long ago, so I don't think it's necessary to do it. I did just put a cam package in this as well, so it should be quite stellar. Anyway, that's that. So we'll hook in, I'm gonna rip the front end out of this completely, K-frame and all, steering, everything, drop it out completely, and get that sorted, and then swap out. This is actually the diff out of the VG when I first got it, so it's got stuffed pinion bearing in it, nice and noisy. So anyway, the Centura disc is going to go back in this, so I'll go back to late model Falcon / late model Valiant stud pattern 5x114.3. Put on my Kragers or whatever you want to call them that were on this, so going back on this, and I'll swap out a pair of front doors. The doors on this weren't great. I've got a really nice pair of front doors, so looks okay on camera. It's quite rough, but we're just going to whack it together and get it sorted. So all the front ends out, as you've seen. There's plenty of stuff to clean and fix in this engine bay, which will get done when we actually resto this car, but for now it's putting it back on the road or we build that thing. Once that's done, this will be coming off the road and properly get done, full bare metal, sandblast the whole thing, fix it properly. So anyway, we're going to let it down, clean the engine bay, and start getting prepped to put all the engine and drivetrain in it. So, nice little quick before. About 5 years of smuts literally just built up in here, just everywhere. Cold can of beer was there or something, but we'll get this all cleaned up, pressure cleaned, and get it ready to accept the new donk. And there we are after, all nice and clean. That's actually all scratched and damaged down there and actually melted when the turbo kit was on that other 318. We had to clearance it, and it actually melted all the paint. That's how hot it was. So. Anyway, we get this K-frame and stuff sorted and ready to paint, and then we can start getting it ready to put in. K-frame, got it back pretty good, as close as we can kind of get it. Just going to give it an etch and then paint it black. We can bolt it in. With this Rust-Oleum Turbo Black, but I'm just going to do this side and a bit of the other side. I'm not going to focus too much on the underside here because it's going to actually sit on the K-frame. Once it's in the car, I'll rub it back quickly and actually fix up under there to make it look pretty once it's in the car, because it will be sitting on the actual table and the block and stuff. I just don't want it to damage it. So anyway, I'll hit it with this stuff, and that's it done. Leave it for a couple of hours to set. Not the prettiest thing in the world. I mean, I could have sandblasted it and gone to the extent of, you know, fully doing it properly, but this car's going to come apart in another couple of months, and that's probably going to get either modified or changed anyway, so good enough for the moment. Little bits all etched up, give them a coat of paint, go and refit them. Alright, so pretty much ready to put it back on the K-frame, back on the table, and we can go and slide it into the car. All the last little bits and pieces are on, little stay brackets under here, bottom one, alternator's back on, hoses are back on, everything's all sorted, so pretty much ready to slip it back in. Alrighty, so right hand extractor's back on. It's literally ready to go back in, which is awesome. So slip this into the VE, sitting up there waiting ready for it. So look into it. She's in. We've bolted it all up, trans mount, engine mount, well, J-frame. Bolted that oil filter on, put just in the middle of the fuel line up. There's like not much to really connect with this thing to make it actually want to run. Then I've got to put all the front end back in it. Radiator, hook everything up. Everything's been going so far, so good. Because beyond that though, it's quite good. Which you'd expect. It's a standard motor and a standard car, like nothing special. So yeah, next steps: left-hand extractor, wiring, plumbing, rad in, hook everything up, and then we can bed the cam in, make sure that's all good, and then put all the front suspension in, knuckles, brakes. Rear diff's already in, wheels are on. I just got to bleed the brakes when we do that. I've got the tail shaft to pop in, gear shifter to hook up, not much. So we'll get there very quickly, I reckon. So moving on to the rear, I need to swap fuel tanks and diffs. So I'm going to drop all this all out, disconnect it from the springs, leave the springs right where they are. I need to change this brake line too from the other diff. Need to pop it all in, get it all back together. That's all kind of just sitting here because it was off the Centura diff. That's different because it's the VG diff. So swap this out, go back to the new stud pattern, bolt it all back in, unbolt this fuel tank, swap it out for my other one out of the VG. This one's not very happy. It's got a lot of repairs and leaking and dinted and a bit rusty and crappy, and sender doesn't work and one in my other one does. So swap all these out and get us sorted.
It's all the same,